Well, guys, it appears that I am stuck here where I slept last night for the rest of the day. It's raining. Yesterday was such a beautiful blue sky day, a few clouds bouncing around, awesome sunset. Now it's raining, but I'm okay. Hear the thunder? Yep, this is life on the road. Never know where you're going to end up. But always predicting that the weather's going to turn from hot and sunny to cold and rainy. There ain't no sense complaining. Can't stop it. Just have to accept it. You know, you go from dehydration and hunger to being filled up and rehydrated, and then go from sunny days to the cloudy days. It goes both ways, don't it? What they call the yin and the yang. There's some old abandoned place. There's the door. Let me get up in a minute and see if I can explore this place. You guys, I've got so many other videos I'm uploading right now, so you guys will see some of my adventures, and some make you happy, some make you sad, but I'll make you happy again. Alright guys, well, I'm just outside of Waldo, Arkansas, and heading to Texarkana eventually. Waiting for the farmer or the rancher to show up and say, "Whoa, what do you think? What are you doing here? Come up the house." So, who knows? Get out of here, rascal. Yeah, get. I've heard it. But then I had somebody pull an AR on me last year in October last year. Sure enough. And he invited me to his house, and his girlfriend fixed me biscuits and gravy. I sure wish that guy was watching my YouTube videos, but he don't have time. He's too busy. He's selling his property. He's got a lot going on, so he's got friends on the back burner who just text him every once in a while. Speaking of texting, give me a text sometime. If you got my number, holler at me, give me a text. Talk to y'all soon. Have a nice day.